Lovo.ai features, strengths, weaknesses. Lovo.ai stands out as a next-gen AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform, primarily targeting content creators, marketers, educators, and businesses seeking realistic and versatile voiceovers. Key features include over 500 AI voices in 100+ languages, advanced pronunciation control offering granular adjustments for emphasis and speed, and an AI voice cloning capability allowing users to replicate their own voice or create unique fictional voices. Further bolstering its utility is an integrated AI writer for script generation, a video editor enabling seamless voiceover integration, and team collaboration features facilitating shared projects. Lovo.ai is clearly built for professionals needing high-quality, customizable voice solutions. A major strength is the realism of its AI voices, significantly improved compared to earlier generation TTS tools. The platform's control over pronunciation and emphasis is also a significant advantage, allowing for nuanced delivery crucial for engaging content. The AI writer, while not on par with dedicated tools like Jasper, provides a valuable starting point for script creation. The intuitive interface and ease of use also make it accessible to users without extensive technical expertise. However, Lovo.ai isn't without weaknesses. The pricing structure can be a barrier for individual creators or smaller businesses, as the free plan is extremely limited and higher tiers are relatively expensive. While the voice library is extensive, the quality and naturalness can vary between languages and even individual voices, requiring careful selection. Furthermore, while the platform allows for detailed pronunciation adjustments, the process can be time-consuming and require a steep learning curve to master, especially for complex words or accents. The AI writer, while useful, requires significant editing to achieve professional-grade results. In conclusion, Lovo.ai is a powerful tool for generating high-quality AI voiceovers, particularly strong for users who require precise control over pronunciation and inflection. Its strengths lie in voice realism, customizability, and ease of use. However, the pricing and occasional voice inconsistencies, along with the learning curve for advanced features, are potential drawbacks to consider. Ultimately, Lovo.ai is a worthwhile investment for professionals and businesses seeking a comprehensive AI voice solution, but it's crucial to weigh the cost against the specific needs and resources available.